Welcome to the spoken tutorial on MarketMirchi app. In this tutorial, we will learn to use on mobile MarketMirchi app. We will also learn to sell and buy all agro-rural products through MarketMirchi, post free advertisements, get market linkages for all agro and rural products totally free. MarketMirchi is a pan-India movement. It is a free online marketing platform. It is developed for promoting agricultural and rural products. Let us now discuss the advantages of using MarketMirchi. You can post your ads without any middleman. You can conduct free direct agro and rural marketing inside and outside India. Customers can be directly contacted for free. It is useful for farmers, farmer-producer organizations, and self-help groups. Artisans can also benefit from it. It serves as a hassle-free approach to buy and sell their products for free. MarketMirchi is supported by Sitara Department, IIT Bombay. Let us begin. On your smartphone, open a web browser. On the address bar, type marketmirchi.com. It is available both on website and on app. Go to the Play Store. In the search section, type MarketMirchi. The MarketMirchi app appears. Click on Install. The app is now installed. Let me open it. This is how the MarketMirchi app looks like on the mobile. Let us now learn to use the app on the mobile. Even for the website, follow the same steps which I will explain for the app. As of now, MarketMirchi is available in English and in major Indian languages. Click on the drop-down Select Language at the top right-hand corner. You can see the languages. Let me click on Tamil. As you can see, the entire content of the app changes to Tamil. Similarly, you can select a language as per your choice. Let me now change it back to English. Next, let us see the three main tabs on the home page. To go to each section, click on the respective tab. I will click on Sell, next on Buy, and then on Jobs. Now I will again click on Sell. You can see a Post Free Sales Ad button in yellow color. Below this button, please see a list of category links. You can see a message, click links below to search sellers in each categories. These links helps to search the sellers. Please have a quick look at the ads posted under each categories. This will help to decide the category in which you wish to post your ad. I will click on the fruits link. A new page opens with the posted ads. Next, let us learn how to post an ad for selling. Go to the home page. To do so, go to the top left corner of the page. Click on the three horizontal lines and click on Home. Remember that these lines are the menu of the app. Click on the Post Free Sales Ad button to post your advertisements for free. Upon clicking, a new page with a list of categories opens up. As of now, there are 26 categories. Next step is very important. Carefully select the correct category for the products you want to sell. It is because immediately after posting the ad, you will see a call list. This call list has the contact number of buyers from the category you chose. For example, I will select the grains and pulses category to sell maize. A new page with the title Your selected main category for sale grains and pulses opens up. Please fill out all the required fields. Fields marked with asterisks are mandatory. Click on the drop-down of the first field to select the subcategory. I will select maize. Next row is heading for sale. Here, heading for the ad is to be given. Choose your heading wisely as it will be visible to buyers when they search. Make sure the heading does not exceed 50 characters. I will give a heading as maize available in bulk quantity. If your product is organic, then you can mention that in the same heading. Next is the sales details field. Here, you can write all the details of your product like its quality, type, etc. I will write Sabarkanta variety. Next is the price field. Mention the price only in numbers. Do not add extra words like rupees, etc. You will also see a sentence as mentioned below. If negotiable, simply put 0 in the box. As mentioned, if the price of your product is negotiable, then write 0. By doing so, when your ad is published, it will appear as price is negotiable. So, I will write 0. Next is the unit section. Click on the drop down. You can select the unit suitable to your product like kg, quintal, ton, etc. I will select quintal. Lastly, you can see two buttons, Old User Login and New User Registration. I am posting an ad on the MarketMirchi app for the first time. I will click the New User Registration. A new page appears asking for your personal details. Note that it is mandatory to fill in the fields marked with an asterisk. First, in the name field, I will write my name as Priya. Next is the address field. Here, I will write second cross Mangalagiri, Guntur. Next, click on the drop down of district. Here you can see various district names. I will select Guntur. Next is the email ID field. If you have an email ID, then you can write that too. I will leave it blank as it is not mandatory. You can see that there is no asterisk here. Note that registering your mobile number is mandatory. Remember that this mobile number will be considered as your username. You will receive all the messages on this mobile number. I will now enter my mobile number. Next, create a password. I will create a simple password 123 and confirm it again in the next box. Lastly, click on the Post Ad button at the bottom and wait for a few seconds. A pop-up message appears. It says, "Directly call interested buyers." You can directly call potential buyers on this page. Click on the Call button in front of the buyer. Click on I have understood. A new page opens up. It shows a list of all the buyers. Buyers who are interested in purchasing maize along with their active ranks. Call buttons are also provided against each buyer. We will look into the active rank later in this tutorial. I will click on the call button of the first buyer in the first row. The mobile number of the advertiser appears above the title in red color. It will appear along with the phone icon. Click on the phone icon to contact the buyer directly. You can also see the mobile number of other advertisers. Increase your market linkages by immediately calling the buyers from the list. Also, once you post your ad, you will also receive a SMS and WhatsApp message from SMS PTG. It will have the link to the buy section of MarketMirchi. You can click on that link to contact buyers and search buyers there. You can do so by searching them for products you want to sell. Next, let us go back to the app to learn about Active Rank. Go to Menu and click on Home. Here you can find two links: Search All Sellers and Search Active Sellers. Click on Search All Sellers. We can now see the May's ad that we posted. Initially, when you post an ad on MarketMirchi, your active rank will be 1. As you call more buyers, your active rank will increase. Even if a buyer calls you, your active rank will increase. Each call will score you 2 points. For example, if you contact 5 buyers, then your active rank will be 11. Similarly, if 5 buyers contact you, then your active rank will be 21. In this way, you can raise your active rank on MarketMirchi. Increase your market linkages by immediately calling the buyers from the list. This is an easy and quick way to increase your active rank. Next, let us see the benefits of having a higher active rank. Click on the menu, then click on Home. Click on the Search Active Sellers link. Here, the sellers with higher active rank will be shown on the top. Next, let us learn how to post an ad for buying. From the menu, go to Home. Click on the Buy section. Click on the Post Free Buy Ad button. Similar to the Sell section, you can see 26 categories here as well. I will select the Seeds category. On doing so, a new page appears. Let us start filling the fields one by one. Click on the Select Subcategory drop-down. I will select Desi. I will fill the heading as Green Pumpkin Seeds. In the Buy Details section, I will write High in Density, Medium-Sized Seeds. Next, in the Price section, I will type 0. In the Unit section, I will select Quintal. Since we have already registered, we will now select the Old User Login option. Here, I will type my username, which is my mobile number. Enter the password. You can save your login details on the app. To do so, click on the Remember Me checkbox here at the login. Click on the Login button. A pop-up message appears. Click on I have understood. A new page appears with a call list of all the sellers of the seeds. As you contact more sellers, your active rank in MarketMirchi will increase. You will be on the top in the list of the active buyers in the Buy section. You will also receive a SMS and WhatsApp message. This message has a helpline contact number of MarketMirchi. This message will give a link to the Sell section after posting your Buy ad. It also has a link through which you can contact sellers. MarketMirchi does not ask for any kind of payment to be on the top of the list. This is because MarketMirchi is a free, open social mission. Your priority will automatically increase through the active rank. You can make more market linkages by calling more sellers or buyers directly. It will increase your active rank on MarketMirchi. Now go to Menu, click on My Ads. You can see the list of all your posted ads under My Sale Ads and My Buy Ads. Under My Sale Ads, there are two options like Edit and Photos. Edit option is used to make changes to your posted ads. Click on Edit. If you make any change, you should click on Save. Since I do not want to make any changes, I will click on Cancel. Please note that you cannot delete the posted ad yourself. It can be done by the technical team of MarketMirchi. To add the product's photo, click on Photos. Click on the Choose File button. I will select this maize picture from my mobile phone. Now click on Upload. The ad will be now displayed along with the product's photo that you selected. Next, let us see how to post ads on the Jobs section. Click on Menu and then on Home. Click on Jobs. Please note here the jobs are related only to agro and rural fields. In case you wish to hire someone, post an ad on Post Free Jobs ad. If you wish to apply for a job, click on Post Free Biodata. Go back to menu. Click on My Ad Responses. Here you can see all the responses for all the posted ads under each section. For example, My Sale Alerts, My Buy Alerts, My Job Alerts. You will also receive a SMS and WhatsApp message. This SMS will have the interested customer's mobile number for your ad. Now we will check the Help tab. Go back to menu. Click on Help. Here you will find instructions for effectively using MarketMirchi. You can select the language of your choice here as well. Go to Select Language and from the drop-down, choose the language you want. Go to Menu, click on Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. The MarketMirchi mission is explained here. Go to the bottom of the page and click on this link. A new page with success stories opens up. Please note that this app is available only on Android phones. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about the MarketMirchi app. We also learned to buy and sell all agro-rural products through MarketMirchi, post free advertisements, get market linkages for all agro and rural products totally free. Grow your agro and rural business for free with MarketMirchi. This will make our rural India shine. For any help, please contact Pragati Gokhale, Chief Mentor of this mission, on this number. This video is created by the Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay for Mission Mera Mobile Mera Marketing. Thank you.